Hindu organizations have urged Chief Minister Vijay to release a white paper on the functioning of the Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments (HR&CE) department during the previous DMK government. In connection with the alleged attempt to encroach upon land worth 100 crore rupees belonging to the Palani temple, 14 persons have been arrested and the CBCID is investigating the matter. Minister Nirmal Kumar stated that the authorities are also investigating whether similar encroachments have taken place on lands belonging to other temples. Following this, Hindu organizations have appealed to Chief Minister Vijay to publish a white paper informing the public about the alleged irregularities and functioning of the HR&CE department during the previous DMK administration. Speaking in Madurai, Adiseshan, the state treasurer of the Hindu Temple Protection Federation, said that a judicial inquiry should be conducted into the alleged land scam involving the Palani temple. He said that the organization's State General Council meeting held in Palani had passed a resolution demanding such an inquiry. Adiseshan further alleged that during the previous DMK government, unnecessary parking facilities were constructed on temple lands to benefit certain interests. He added that although tenders had been floated for additional construction works, the present TVK government had cancelled those tenders. He reiterated that the TVK government should release a white paper detailing the functioning of the HR&CE department during the previous administration. He also said that temples should not be opened and special pujas conducted in violation of Agama rules for the benefit of politicians or senior government officials. He demanded that a comprehensive list of all temple properties be made public. He further stated that temple properties leased out should be reviewed once every 10 years and lease rentals should be revised and collected based on the prevailing government guideline value. Adiseshan also pointed out that many posts in temples remain vacant, causing difficulties in conducting daily pujas and religious rituals. He urged the government to fill all vacant positions based strictly on merit. He further demanded that all temple darshan fees be abolished. Referring to the hilltop shrine at Tiruparangkundram, he said that in accordance with the court's order, only temple priests should be permitted to light the ceremonial lamp, Deepam, at the hilltop shrine. The Madras High Court has ruled that a minor girl who is a victim in a POCSO case cannot be compelled to appear before the court again to recount the traumatic incident she suffered. A complaint was lodged against Ramesh, a resident of the Jinji area in Vilupuram district, alleging that he had sexually harassed a 10-year-old girl who was grazing goats in the locality. Following the complaint, a case was registered against Ramesh under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences POCSO Act. The case is currently under trial before the special POCSO court in Vilupuram. During the proceedings, the defense filed a petition seeking to recall the victim girl to the court for further cross-examination, even though she had already testified. However, the special POCSO court dismissed the petition. Challenging this order, Ramesh approached the Madras High Court. The matter came up for hearing before Justice D. Bharata Chakravarti. In his order, the judge observed that the POCSO Act was enacted to protect children from sexual offences and provides for stringent punishment against offenders. The judge further emphasized that while implementing the provisions of the Act, courts must ensure that child victims are not subjected to further mental trauma. Therefore, a child who has already given evidence should not be unnecessarily compelled to appear again in court and relive the traumatic experience unless there are compelling legal reasons to do so. Based on a complaint lodged at the Thogamalai police station on June 14, 2024, a case was registered against former Minister R. Vijayabaskar, his brother Sekar, and others. Subsequently, the investigation was transferred to the CBCID. The case has been under trial before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court Number 1, Karur. In this case, 16 accused persons had already appeared before the court earlier and received copies of the charge sheet. Former Minister R. Vijayabaskar also appeared before Judge Bharat Kumar and received a copy of the charge sheet related to the case. The judge directed him to appear before the court again on July 27th for the next hearing.